Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to apply liquid liner, and it only involves two products. It makes it super easy to just get a nice straight even line on both sides, and I'll kind of walk you through my steps to do it. And this is a little bit easier than just kind of free-forming drawing a line with your just liquid liner, and this is going to make it way simpler and way easier, and I hope you guys enjoy seeing my favorite liquid liner trick to get even perfect eyeliner. So to start out the winged liner, I already have my eyelids primed with my MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and then I also have all my eyeshadow on for the day, so I have a nice base color on and then just a simple brown in the crease. Nothing crazy because I really want to focus on the liner today. And my number one tip for doing winged eyeliner is to start with a regular just crayon eyeliner. So this is my favorite. This is the Maybelline Unstoppable eyeliner in the shade Onyx, which is the black one. And I like this because it's a roll-up one, so you never have to sharpen it, and it's their unstoppable like line, so it doesn't budge, and I have really good luck with this one. But of course you want to make sure you prime your eyelids, and then just any crayon eyeliner that you're comfortable. If you're comfortable just doing a straight line on your eye already, you already are halfway there. So that's what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to start out and just draw my straight line on top of each of my lash lines, and then we'll work on the wing later. So I take this pencil and I'll get in real close here and try to show you how I draw my line. So that's it for now. I have it lined from kind of almost the inner corner all the way to almost the edge of my eyelashes there. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And as you can see, I'm kind of pulling the skin taut here, so it's easier to draw the line. But any way that you're comfortable drawing a straight line will work. Okay, so I have both of my straight lines drawn on there with my Unstoppable eyeliner, and that is the first step. So once you have that out of the way, again, pull your eyelid taut and then kind of just draw the line quickly on there. And now we're going to move on to the liquid liner, which is the hardest part, and drawing the little wing and making sure they're even. So for me, I like this Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade Trooper, which is their black one. And this is their waterproof liquid eyeliner. I've had great results with this. I find that it doesn't come off. It's waterproof, so it kind of lasts very long. As the product dries out, I find that it does kind of get less black, and you might have to kind of layer on to get a really intense black shade. But overall, this is my favorite eyeliner. I would also recommend something like this. See, this is a pen shape as opposed to something like this, which comes in a little pot, and then this eyeliner is not really pen shaped. It's just a little bit more difficult to work with. But if you need a good cheap drugstore liquid liner, I do really recommend this one. This is the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. It's only $2, and if you want something to practice with, I really love this. I just find that the brush tip on this is a lot easier for beginners. It stays in a nice sharp point, and the pen applicator again is really easy. So this is my favorite one, but again, if you want something from the drugstore, the e.l.f. one's really good. I really like the collection one. I used to use the Maybelline, I believe, Lash Stiletto. I really like that one, but I'm going to recommend something like this pen. And this is one of the kind that you kind of got to shake up a little bit before you use it, so I'll just quickly shake it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold out my pen, and I'm going to kind of try to line up the corner of the pen with the corner of my eyelashes like this. So there's my bottom eyelashes. I'm just going to kind of extend that line out this way. And that's where I'm going to tap the line. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. You can also kind of use the side of your nose towards your eyebrow and do it that way, but I find that my face isn't really symmetrical, so that doesn't work as well for me. But my number one tip is to just draw the line on each side first. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So once again, find the edge of my eyelashes here and then kind of extend that out. So I'm going to go to about here. And then just draw that line down, and then stop there and do the other side. So that's kind of the angle I have on this side, and I'm going to try to replicate this angle on this side as well. Again, finding the edges of my eyelashes and just extending and drawing the line down. Now, the number one way to find out if they're straight before you make a huge mess of eyeliner is to look up like this into the mirror. I have a mirror right here below the camera, and I can see if they're kind of similar, if one's higher, if one's lower, and this is how you can really tell if like they're on point before you draw the whole thing and have to erase a lot. So if they are uneven, I just kind of quickly lick a Q-tip and wipe them off, but you can also just dip this in some eye makeup remover and quickly wipe off the little line, and it's a lot easier than kind of drawing the whole triangle on one side and then drawing the whole triangle on the other and trying to erase the whole thing. So I'm just going to quickly erase these and start over just so you can kind of see my process.
So I switched over to voiceover because it's a little easier to explain what I'm doing and talk while I'm actually showing you guys. So I'm taking the pen eyeliner just how I showed earlier and kind of lining it up with my bottom lash lines and then finding the line that way. And then to connect it back to the rest of my liner, I'm just going back and starting at that corner, drawing it down and taking it about a third of the way into my eye. That's about the size of the wing that I want today. You can make it as thick as you want, but I just like to do a little simple wing on the end. So I'm just going to kind of aim for a third of the way towards my eye and kind of connect it that way and then draw in the rest of that triangle later. So there we go. You can see I'm going all the way towards the third of my eye and then drawing in where there's any blank spaces. And then to check to see if they're even, I just look down like that into the mirror to see if they look about the same. And I kind of check and keep looking and make sure that everything looks good. And the edge of this one was looking a little wonky, so I just went back over it and straightened it out, and then also colored in any kind of light spots in the liner. You can kind of layer up with this Kat Von D liner. I really like it and make it look really like nice and black.
So that's it. My wings are even. I'm very pleased with them. Hopefully this video kind of worked out. I know it was kind of hard to switch from voiceover to regular, but I just felt like it was easier to explain what I was doing while I was doing it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add mascara and finish off my makeup, and then I'll be right back. And that's it for this easy winged eyeliner tutorial and trick video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this method for doing winged eyeliner. This is my favorite way to do it. This is how I do it most days, and I really enjoy it because I think it's very foolproof. It gives you a nice full black winged liner and helps them kind of get even on both sides. So if you guys found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Also, every product that I used will be listed in the description box down below, so check that out if you're curious about anything that I'm wearing or anything that I used. I also upload 2 days a week on Monday and Thursday, so please subscribe so that you don't miss those videos, and thank you so much for watching.